Hi guys, to receive this 80 watts LED canopy light for reviewing purposes, so let's take it out of the box. Okay, it comes very well protected with these foams that wraps around it, and it comes with all the screws and parts you need for the installation. Okay, you also got the instructions. You can see you can place the base upon the ceiling and connect it and wire it. Okay, and you can also install it with a pole pendant installation. I'm gonna do the basic ceiling installation. Okay, so let's go. It has 3 cables, the neutral, the line, and the ground. Okay, let's take this out. It feels of a really nice quality. So let's take the base out and see how we're gonna place it. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and it's very bright. Even though it's daytime, it looks a lot light. So what I'm gonna do is wait a bit till it gets darker in the nighttime, so we turn it on and see how it looks. Okay guys, as you can see, now it's nighttime and it's quite bright. So what I'm gonna do is turn off the main light so I can just have the canopy light on. Okay. I have already turned it off, and as you can see, it still looks very bright, and I think it's an excellent canopy light to place in your warehouse, inside a playroom. Where you're gonna place it in a warehouse, I think it will be excellent because it works perfectly. It's very bright, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.